All right, well, today we're going to take a look at another interesting Zippo. And let's take a look at the box that it came in, and it's pretty much the normal Zippo black box. And it says on it, James Bond, A View to Kill. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA, in Bradford, PA. And it has a semi-collectible 007 insert. Says there that the 007 trademark is licensed. So here is the Zippo. It says, has James Bond met his match? And you can see right behind him, Grace Jones. Let's see, she was named May Day in this movie. And the movie, of course, was A View to Kill. I think that was in 1985 this thing came out. Anyway, this Zippo is on a brushed chrome finish, and it was made in F of 18, which is, I think that's June of last year. Good stampings on this one. Good Zippo click. See if we can get it to light. There we go. It's got that steel insert. It's a pretty good, I have a few James Bond Zippos. That's going to be a good one for my collection. And of course, this is the movie that it was from. There's Roger Moore, A View to Kill, and a few of the actors and actresses in this movie. Notably, of course, was Christopher Walken. He's the cowbell guy. And there's Grace Jones. And another one, there is Tanya Roberts, who was also a Charlie's Angel in sometime in the early 1980s. I believe she was also Sheena of the Jungle. And one actor whose picture is not on here is actually one of my favorite actors. He played one of Bond's assistants. His name was Sir Godfrey Tibbett in A View to Kill. That, of course, is Patrick Macnee, who played opposite Diana Rigg in The Avengers. The Avengers was on in the early, I think they were in the early 70s. Quite a good series. And one notable fact about this is Diana Rigg played Tracy in On Her Majesty's Secret Service and actually married James Bond, played by Roger Lazenby. That's a pretty good connection. So that is the James Bond View to Kill Zippo. A pretty nice one, and definitely deserves a little cowbell. Oh wait, I know what I should do. Let's do a drop test on this Zippo. See if it can stand being dropped. Okay, so the James Bond lighter once again passes the drop test. And definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.